Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the channel. My name is Matt, and in today's video, I'm showing you guys some really cool looking Solana NFT mints I don't think you're going to want to miss. If you guys are new, make sure to drop a like, subscribe, and let's get right into it, folks. Obviously, NFTs have been in kind of a rough spot over the past month or two here, but our goal, of course, is to find projects that are continually building and or releasing mints that are genuinely good and genuinely servicing the people who are purchasing them. So for the first project, I want to show you guys a team of builders that I really do believe have been doing a great job since their inception. So this is Astro Babies, Astro Baby apes, and right now the Astro Baby pups is a mint that is live right now. So they have kept this mint live. They're in pursuit of growing this brand and continuing to leave the mint available for those that want it. Now the goal here is to build a real life casino, which I think is absolutely awesome. Now we do have a lot of information from them, and they've been going since September of 2021, so it's been a while since their collection has been around, and these guys are absolutely killing it on Magic Eden. Of course, out of 5,000, only 155 listed. That is a really good ratio of supply to listings. So let's talk a little bit about what these guys are doing right now. So the major thing, of course, is launching the Astro Baby pups, but you guys can see there is actual footage here from their official sort of event here, the game night event, when they basically went and met with a bunch of people in real life and decided to take this project to the next level. These guys are actually building in the real world, and man, is that refreshing to see. There are so many projects out there that only exist online, and that's fine, but I do like to see people who are actually building things in real life. You guys can see the Astro Baby logo there on the deck of cards, and these guys are just killing it. Another thing I love about these guys is the effort to improve service that NFTs and or NFT buyers have. So these guys are currently working on something called Astro Rarity, which is essentially a rarity checking system where you could go and see how rare an NFT is that you either own or created or whatnot. So definitely developing in this field as well. And you guys can see that they actually do have royalties that they are giving out to their holders. So if you have 3 of any collection, you will get around 5% royalties from their collection, and that is absolutely awesome. Again, finding a way to pay it back to people who purchase them. They're also working on a marketplace called Astro Gallery, where essentially they are charging for the first 3 months absolutely nothing to projects that list on there. So if you're one of the first 30 projects that lists on there, you won't have to pay anything to keep your project on there. You will get 100% of every single thing you own, which is really cool. So if people are buying and selling your project from the marketplace, you get to keep all of the royalties. So we have the Astro Casino, Astro Gallery, Astro Rarity, all of it coming very soon, and I really do like what these guys are doing. So again, definitely props to them for building this project in real life and keeping the Baby Pups mint live for those that want to get involved in an awesome project like this. But before we go any further, do you like NFT whitelists? Because if you do, the Patreon down below is the place for you. I have worked tirelessly to make the Patreon one of the best places you guys could be for NFTs. For only $10 a month, we have an entire team dedicated to finding you whitelists. You guys also get one-on-one access to me, group coaching calls, and so much more. To be honest, guys, it is a steal for the price it's at. If you're looking to take your NFT game to the next level, you guys have to check out the Patreon down below in the description. The next project I wanted to show you guys is called the Lonely Listeners Club, which is basically on Solana and Ethereum. But what these guys are attempting to do is create an entire industry-shifting project here in the music space. So they talk a little bit about what they are going for with Lonely Listeners Club here. Insane ownership, 0.5 to 3% ownership per NFT, lifetime perks with concerts, merch, communication, all of that, and the ability to grow your investments. So basically a stock market of musicians, they are calling it. And again, if you are a holder of the Lonely Listeners Club, you get access to all of this. So invest in private artists, the ability to get exclusive drops, DAO treasury, VIP experiences, and all of that. So we have the website here, of course, getting a very, very cool little graphic here, and the white paper. So they plan to be a significant role in the soul music ecosystem and platform. So they are an exclusive club of listeners, fans, and Web3 retail investors that want to build a more prosperous music business. This club grants access to Listeners Lounge DAO and platform, town hall where the members can vote, decide on artists for the platform, and gain first access to investing in these artists. So very cool. This sector really is not very developed in the the crypto space, in my opinion, and you are giving the opportunity for people to invest in major platforms. So you could invest in a musician that might actually be very successful in the future. So you have the option to get new fans for your music, get support financially by selling NFT collections to your buyers, sold music for investors. So if you're an investor, you can invest in the artist early, get perks like royalty payouts and all of that. Solana Music for fans. So if you are a fan, you get direct access to the artist, exclusive content, merch, and all of that. So basically a music marketing agency here is what this really appears to be on Solana and OpenSea. So very cool. Definitely do love to see projects like this expanding in this industry, because this is definitely a very tough industry to enter, the music industry in the real world. And again, having an option like this for crypto is very cool. And the last project I wanted to show you is called Utes. This is basically from the team of DeGods, and obviously that is the largest Solana NFT out there. So this is their account. They have officially gone public. This was something that we're teasing for a long time. They previously were named Duppies, but Reed changed the name here to Utes to build Utopia together. So they talk a little bit in their tweet here. Everybody keeps saying the NFT market is dying. We are curating an NFT community that will thrive through these dark times. They basically are saying they're not doing a lot of influencer stuff. They are releasing a transparent public VIP list. Everybody on that list will be guaranteed one Ute list spot. And yeah, it is absolutely huge. I mean, there are tons of people out there who do believe in the team of DeGods and do support them. So definitely Utes will be a very large project, and of course, in my opinion, we'll be doing something with Dust. So Dust is the token that DeGods have been awarding to their holders and their stakers. So they have a Utes scholarship you could apply for the Ute list. And that's it. Not a whole lot of information here. They did do a Twitter space, but very, very secretive, of course, with everything here. They have had over 4,000 applications here in 4 hours, which is absolutely bonkers. So I definitely am excited to see what the DeGods team is going to do here with Utopia. So with that being said, guys, thank you all so much for watching. I hope you have enjoyed. If you guys did, make sure to drop a like and subscribe. Major thanks to Astro Babies for working with me on this video. I'm a huge fan of them, and again, love what they're doing with their project. So with that being said, my name is Matt. I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.